Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it, and all you have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them, or if in your case the list is so wide and you do not have the time to do it manually, I highly recommend to tap simply on clear browsing data, because here we've got some basic and advanced options. And in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, just like here. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you are happy, if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see we just got back to the history, which is obviously right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.